Hey guys! In this video I will show you top 5 places that you can visit in Birmingham. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and enable notifications. Birmingham is Britain's second largest city, located in the West Midlands region of England. The big amount of history associated with Birmingham, combined with the city's modern recreational activities, makes it a favorite among tourists from around the world. The soul of this city started with the Industrial Revolution, where it earned its place at the forefront of scientific developments. Nowadays, Birmingham is famous for its museums, parks, and beautiful music halls. Let's see what you can visit while staying in Birmingham. Victoria Square and Birmingham City Centre. The Victoria Square is the pedestrian-friendly public square located in the heart of the Birmingham city and can be explored through the Birmingham City Centre path. Along the way, you will see the attractive Old Town Hall, which is a masterpiece of Victorian architecture, the Renaissance-style council house with its famous Big Brum clock, the Central Library, home to the largest Shakespeare collection, and the Coffin Museum. This square is named in honor of Queen Victoria. Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery. Do you notice that due to different tastes, keeping your children entertained within museums during your trip can be a hard task? Then this museum is different. Located at Chamberlain Square, Birmingham Museum and Art Gallery is a big complex displaying a plenty of permanent galleries, collections, and changing exhibitions throughout the year. The museum was opened in 1885. It has over 40 galleries where applied art, display art, archaeology, ethnography, and social history is presented. The museum's collection gives the visitors the opportunity to understand the life, culture, and history of Birmingham. Birmingham Botanical Gardens. Another tourist attraction that you need to visit is the Birmingham Botanical Gardens, home to countless species. These 19th century gardens are easy to get to from the city center. When you visit Birmingham Botanical Gardens, you're like stepping back in time due to its perfectly preserved Victorian-era glass houses and other historic features of the park. What is more, botanical gardens are well known for a collection of bonsai trees. In addition to this, you will see a variety of wildlife here, including rare tropical birds and a butterfly house. St. Philip's Cathedral. Built in 1715, the St. Philip's Cathedral is the Church of England and the seat of the Bishop of Birmingham. It is the third smallest church across England. St. Philip's Cathedral's stained glass windows remain a feature that evokes wonder and today. The cathedral is open to the public all year round, so you can visit it to enjoy a moment of peace and quiet and pray to the Lord. Symphony Hall. This concert hall reflects innovation and creativity that has gone into making Birmingham the city that is today. It is not only England's finest concert hall, but it is also one of the best in the world. With Symphony Hall's picturesque auditorium and stunning world-class acoustics, it cannot be missed. Not only the most prestigious international orchestras concert here, the hall also offers an excellent program showcasing different musical styles, from jazz to rock. Thank you for watching! Now you will know what places you can visit in Birmingham. If you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications.